In this video we will see how to make an inlet shaft housing. So let's start. For square plate, select a plane, make one rectangle. After that give the dimension. I apply the equal relation for both. Okay, now I think I need to extrude. Okay, now apply material. Now I need to make one. First save it, housing plate, and then I need to make one circle cut over there with the dimension. Okay. Extrude cut. Now I need to make 4 holes. So for hole, I think I need to use a hole wizard. In hole wizard, I choose simple hole, diameter, through hole condition, 3D sketch. Select one here, one here, one here. This is for fixing along with the nut bolt. Now I need to fully define at the all points. Okay, then after same, basically it is a square, so every side dimension is same. I need to apply a relation. Next direction, Y direction. This is also X direction. Now it's fully defined. Okay, done. After save it, I need to make one more next part. Next part is basically I wanted to make one housing bar. Same procedure, I need to make one sketch, and I think this sketch is taking time, so I will increase the speed. If you wanted to if you want dimensions, so just pause it after completing this sketch and look every dimension. Basically we use a SKF 6207 bearing, so I'll provide the diameter in the same. So it's a outer dimension and this is a bearing dimension. After completing this thing, revolve boss base 360 degree. Now I change the material. After that I need to make one hole in the center. From the side in the center, one hole over there. Normal. Give the dimension, it is from top to center. Now I apply the diameter. After that I need to apply one relation, vertical relation. Yeah, perfect. It's fully defined. Now I need to cut, extrude cut, through wall, reverse direction. It is comfortable for both direction. After sieving, we'll apply the holes on the top hole. In the next video, we'll make one cover for these holes. I'll make 3 holes. This is one method to making one sketch, like making a sketch, and one more method is I have, like I make one hole and apply circular feature. Select all 3 holes and apply one relation, equal relation. Now I need to apply the diameter of this hole. Now I want to make one vertical line. Now I make a construction and make a dimension, like provide the degree. After that I need to extrude cut, make a extrude cut. Okay, now I need to assemble it. Okay, everything is perfect. Save it and assemble it. Make assembly. Basically assembly is so easy. Just a rectangular bar and this bar, the rectangular plate and this bar is made together. That's it. I'll apply the circular meat, and for the locking purpose I think I need to make a parallel meat with front plane. Okay, so that's it. This is our housing for inlet shaft. So thank you. We'll meet in next video.